of a species in a specific area habitat at a specific period and the division of them into age and sex groups is referred to as a wildlife census. The purpose of the census is not only to assess the number of species, but to get insight into their density, sex ratio, masculine-feminine ratio, age ratio, and adult-young ratios. Thus, it may be possible to indicate their health, increase, decrease. The census data is used to figure out how dense a species population is and to gather basic data for management. The population of wildlife does not always remain constant. Its population grows, dwindles in different areas, implying that the population of the same species changes from place to place. It also varies from year to year and even from season to season. This assessment or census of the number of wildlife that the region can maintain is required for the scientific management of an area's wildlife populations. Every removal or introduction of individuals of a species must be preceded by an understanding of their unique requirements and the extent to which the region in question can or will meet those requirements. Whenever we remove or introduce wildlife in a given region, we should have a good sense of the stock of wildlife on which the action of addition or removal may be based on the concept of a sustainable production without destroying or endangering the breeding stock. This necessitates a survey or census of the species abundance based on direct observation, selective trapping, sampling, sign recording, or even the abundance of closely related species. Direct counting or indirect counting methods can be used to perform a census. Individuals are observed and counted in the direct count technique, whilst evidence left by animals is documented in the indirect count method to estimate the population. Seeing and counting each individual animal in a population would be ideal. However, there isn't an easy method to accomplish this. Animals move around, hide, hibernate, and frequently are camouflaged and hard to spot in their habitat. So, another effective strategy for estimating wildlife populations that researchers have developed is the indirect method.